Hello and welcome to this Pixel Maven project tutorial. This card today is inspired by the latest Festive Friday challenge. Our prompts are World Emoji Day and the color yellow. So you can see this one fits into both of those categories. And I'll be using the Hello Sunshine Turnabout set from Concord and Ninth. So without further ado, let's get started. It's a pretty straightforward card. We're going to start with some Nina Solar White 80 pound. And we're going to just go ahead and add in some light blending. This is Altenews Warm Sunshine. And I just wanted to get a nice yellow circle to help back up that sun. And you can see this doesn't take a whole lot of effort, and I'm not trying to do it perfectly either because a lot of it's going to get cut out and covered up. So we just need a nice yellow globe in the center. And that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And if you wanted to, of course, you could fade out a little more on your edges, however you want to do it. But this will work for me. So the Hello Sunshine Turnabout comes with a Turnabout die as well as the Turnabout stamp set. So what I'm going to do is take my pencil and come along here about where I want that sunshine to go. And I'm going to go ahead and mark it at 2 inches because that's my halfway point. And see, it has this nice little crosshair in the center. So I'm just going to draw that crosshair into place. And that's how we'll go ahead and make sure that it goes around all 4 times. So this is just like a regular turnabout. You're just going to make sure that it goes around 4 times. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the die cutting here, and you'll see that happen. All right, so now that I have all 4 of those run through, you can see we have this gorgeous sunburst pattern. And we're going to go ahead and get a sentiment on here. There's all sorts of cute sentiments. And you could do sending smiles, hello sunshine, good vibes. Let's do good vibes this time. And I'm just doing a simple sentiment down in the corner. Of course, using my Sizzix sticky sheets means that I don't need to use any magnets, which is awesome. Gorgeous. And that'll just pull right up. All right, so you see how quickly this card comes together? And it just looks so cool, but it's not difficult. Okay, so I have my 110 pound Nina Solar White here, and then this is a piece of coordinating warm sunshine cardstock from Altenews, and I have this trimmed down so that it's got a 1/16 of an inch all the way around. So we're just going to glue this in place, and we're going to then glue the other piece in place. And of course, I'm always looking to make sure that I have even borders on the 3 sides, and then the 4th side will work out. Go. So we'll get some glue over here, and just be careful that you're not getting it too close to the die cut rays because we don't want the glue to smush through, right? But we want those rays to stay down. Should be good. And again, just making sure that we are staying inside and keeping all 4 sides even. Gorgeous. All right, so 90% of this card is done. I went ahead and pre-cut some circles from the circle die that comes with the stamp set and dies. And this isn't necessarily required, but I thought it would be a good idea to put this one down here in the center to just kind of help make sure all those rays stay in place. It gives it a nice finished look. Okay, and then we're going to add in this fun wobbler. And this is from Hampton Arts, I think. This is the mini self-adhesive wobblers, and this just gives this guy a cute little fun action. So on this, this is there's a thicker piece and a thinner piece. The thinner piece gets attached to the wobbled part, and the thicker piece gets attached to the base. So just pull off the adhesive backing there and pop that right in the center. All right, so that guy is really ready to go, and we're actually done gluing at this point. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my circle here, and actually I'm going to grab this Sharpie pen that I didn't grab before, so just a regular Sharpie pen. And I like to pencil draw this in. So I'm just going to do the same little fun smiley face. And it's just 3 little half moons. So of course, if you have a stamp set or a die set, I know that Lawn Fawn makes a really cute die set for emojis. Or you can just hand draw it. Which, if you have the patience, it can be kind of fun. So once I have it drawn out in pencil, just come back with my Sharpie marker with some deliberate strokes, and then fill it in. And you see I already kind of goobered this one up, so I might come back and redo this after the video. And then just go ahead and color this all in. I tried using a Copic marker, but I found that this particular cardstock was too loose of a weave, and the Copic marker liked to bleed. So a Sharpie ended up being the best bet. All right, so there's my cute little smiley face. And now if you want to add some little pink cheeks, there's a couple of ways you can do it. I'm just going to grab a colored pencil and just do a little coloring in. This is just a little different than last time, but that'll work. And then if you want to blend it out, technically you should probably use some Gamsol, but I'm just going to use this little blender pen that I have. Carefully blend that out. And once it dries, it'll look nice and gentle like this guy here. All right, so last step is to just separate these guys here. And believe it or not, this little middle one does actually cover some more adhesive. There we go. And now I can just line up my smiley face, pop them right in place. There we go. Little fun, happy, smiley dudes. I hope you enjoyed this project tutorial and that you join us over at Festive Friday for this week's challenge. You might be selected as one of our festive faves for the 10-day challenge. So go ahead and think up a fun emoji day project or something including yellow, and you can link up to us. It doesn't have to be a card. It could be a scrapbook page, 3D item, anything that you've handcrafted. We'd love to see what you do. So join us over at Festive Friday and join me again here for another Pixel Maven project tutorial soon. But until next time, don't forget to subscribe and happy crafting.